Wallpapers are making a dramatic comeback, transforming spaces from small offices to grand dining rooms. Initially reintroduced in playful, informal settings, wallpapers can now be found in prominent areas with vibrant, yet balanced patterns, no longer just for full walls. Contemporary wallpaper includes matching textile accents and partial coverings, combined with elements like wall moldings. This approach allows for dynamic designs without overwhelming smaller spaces. Murals are increasingly popular, ranging from abstract art to detailed landscapes. These large-scale artworks provide a versatile aesthetic that can be bold in foyers or whimsical in bathrooms, enhancing the overall spatial experience. Today's wallpaper patterns blend historical and organic themes, integrating both masculine and feminine touches with modern techniques like watercolor. This evolution makes them suitable for a diverse range of interiors. Botanical patterns featuring exotic plants and historical elements are trending, reflecting a growing interest in both ornamental and period designs. The revival of 70s bold graphic styles also indicates a broader exploration of past aesthetics. Wallpapers in 2024 serve as a canvas for personal expression and design innovation. From subtle accents to bold statements, the revived interest in wallpapers allows for creative and customized interior storytelling.